Hey guys, so I'm here interviewing my son, and we're going to be talking about how to get your kids to clean on their own without having to lose your peace, even if they dislike cleaning. So I'm going to interview Malachi, and then I'm going to flip it over and interview another child, Isaiah. All right, so Malachi, I want you to be honest.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like to clean?
Yeah.
You do?
I enjoy it.
What?
I didn't when I started, when I was 5 years old, but.
Okay. What part about cleaning at 5 years old, what do you feel like you did not like?
It just took me forever. And it was hard for me to do, so I just didn't really enjoy it because, it was hard.
It was hard. Okay. So what part about cleaning do you like now?
All of it.
All of it. Okay, well, tell me a little bit about that. What exactly do you do?
I will, strip my sheets on my bed and remake it every Friday. I will vacuum my room and clean it up. I will clean the bathroom. I will do the study room and vacuum it, including my desk. And sometimes we'll do the basement, but that's pretty much it.
Okay. So wow, that's impressive. You started when you were 5. Wait, how old are you?
10.
You're 10. So at what age did you start doing this?
5.
You started doing all that. You clean up your room, you strip your bed, you remake it, you clean the bathroom. What exactly do you do in the bathroom?
The sink, the faucet, and then I clean under it since it gets really dirty. And, I clean the toilet, the shower, I sweep them off the floors. And then I get there's something from Norwex, and I squirt it in there, and then scrub the inside of the toilet.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. Okay, so, and then you said you sweep and do the floors. You also vacuum your room, and then you clean the study room, and sometimes you clean the basement. How long does this take you?
Usually 15 minutes, 30 minutes to an hour.
Usually what?
30 minutes to an hour.
30 minutes to an hour? Okay, wait a minute, let's back up. How in the world do you motivate yourself? What makes you do this?
Because you let me, when I finish all my chores and thoroughly, and it looks good, because you let me get on my computer for about an hour.
That is amazing. Okay, so what if we were to take away the computer? Be honest.
Then I would want to eat something really good after I did my chores, like a good dinner. Otherwise, I wouldn't really enjoy it as much.
Okay, all right. So what you're telling me is that you are self-motivated to clean on your own every week, week after week. Oh my goodness. Solely on, even though you didn't like it at first. You said you didn't like it at first. And then now you started liking it because, it started becoming easier. But even with all of that, you clean on your own week after week simply because there is a reward at the end.
Yeah.
And that's what motivates you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's amazing. Okay, so thank you, you guys. I just wanted to interview one of the boys today, and I'm going to come back and interview our older one next week. We're going to be doing this weekly. Stay tuned for more because there's going to be some fun challenges that we're going to be doing. So if you'd like to know the how we got to this point, keep coming back. We've got some fun things. Also grab just comment in the bottom if this is helpful. Okay, I'm about to interview one more kid here, Isaiah. He's waiting patiently. But comment below if you'd like this PDF on the how. And we're going to start helping you with all of that. But we're going to break that down. So, all right, one more kid here. All right, so tell us your name. What's your name?
My name is Isaiah.
Your name's Isaiah. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
You're 8 years old. Okay, so let me guess. Actually, no. Let me ask you, do you like to clean? Be honest.
When I'm motivated.
When you're motivated. Okay, and what motivates you to clean?
When I have
Come down here.
When I have a good day at school and I feel good about doing my chores and getting the reward.
Oh, okay, so you're saying a reward. You're motivated to clean. Now, do you clean on your own or do you clean with help? Does somebody help you?
Not usually.
Not usually? Okay, so what do you do? What is it? What do you have to do?
So, I do my bed, I strip it, I clean my room, then I vacuum it. And then I pick up my clothes from the bathroom. Then I go downstairs in the guest room, which is this floor, and do my bathroom. And what I do in that is the sink, the faucet, the toilet, the inside of the toilet, the sides of the toilet, and make sure I clean the outside of the sink. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, all right.
And the study room and vacuum.
Oh my goodness. You said you're 8 years old? So how old were you when you started this?
5.
Have you always liked cleaning? Actually, you said you don't like it. You like it only when you're motivated.
Mm-hmm.
What happens when you're not motivated?
I do sloppy work because I really don't want to do it. And so I'm not even happy about the computer, my reward.
Okay. All right. So what motivates you?
When I have a good day at school, or we have a really good dinner,
okay.
Or I encourage myself to say, I can do this, and I don't even think about the stuff I don't want to do.
That's amazing. Okay, so again, you guys, there is a way. There is a way that you can get your kids to clean on their own without losing your peace, even if they dislike it or even if they're not motivated. So come back for the how, but if you are curious to know right away, just comment below PDF and we'll get that out to you. And but we're going to be having lots of different hows in the coming months because, as you know, the kids are coming home from school for the summer break, and
which
so
is nice.
Yeah, so we're going to be we're definitely going to be featuring them this summer. So come back for more if you'd like to know the how. If you like this and this is helpful to you, and you'd like this information. Let us know. PDF in the bottom, comment below, and then definitely come back for the challenge. We're going to be giving details to you. All right, bye.